Um, we have this and we have this. Okay. So how we get this out of the mold? Okay. Very important. I'm going to be sharing you guys these tools. Okay. I'm going to have this also on there. These tools are very important to get this out of the mold. Let me see. Let me see. Very important. Okay. These type of tools. So let's start with this one. Okay. So you want to make sure that we cut off all this. Okay. And how we do that is this is how I do it. Okay. You take it. Voila. It's that easy. You just like go down, scrape it. Get it, scrape it, apply some pressure to there. Okay. Because it won't come off if you don't do this. Okay. It won't. Okay, so just take it off. All right, we should be good there. Now, another thing that I like to do, I like to take this and kind of be careful because sometimes you can crack it in the middle. So just go there, get it out of there, okay? And it should come up. Voila. Now next, you want to just kind of loosen this area up. Be very careful. Sometimes the first one doesn't take and you need this again to redo it. So don't break this. Do not break it, okay? Do not cut it. Be very careful because you never know if you might need to use this again, okay? And so I just kind of wiggle it out of there. Voila. We have it. Okay, so this one right here, I'm glad that this happened. Because as you notice, there is what you call a bubble. Okay, this is a bubble. A bubble was right there. And it actually made this do this. Okay, we can actually fix this with some wax. You can actually put some wax here. Okay, and kind of fix it, okay? Or you can do it over again. So that's why I say you never know. You might need this. And another thing, I like to put the name. So I will not get mixed up. You do not want to get mixed up with your customers, okay? So for this customer, I'm putting Jordan on there, okay? Jordan on the top. But it's better to do with the pen. And I'm also going to put Jordan on this mouth mold, the putty. Okay, Jordan, so that I will not get mixed up. Okay, so there's Jordan, there's Jordan. So let's go ahead and take this one out. And you will throw these away. You don't want nobody else using those, okay? So I'm going to use... I really like this one. This one really gets it, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just come in here and kind of like cut these pieces off, okay? That's what you want to do, cut them off. You will need a Dremel. So I will show you guys a Dremel for this. The Dremel will actually shave down this part around it, because you'll see. We will get to that part, okay? We will. All right, so we should have. And then guess what? All you do is wiggle this up. Wiggle it up. Wiggle it up. Okay? Wiggle it up. Bingo. Look at there. So you can see that this one had an air bubble. That's why I say always do 2 impressions. And this is the same person. And this one doesn't have an air bubble. So we allowed an air bubble to get caught in there. And this is the one I'm going to be using. Okay. So now we just need to take it out of this. And this is the hard part. It's coming. You can see right here, I didn't put enough of that stuff. She's not getting those. So if this part falls off, that's good. We have this captured. Okay. That's all that matters. We got that captured. You just shake it back and forth and it comes out. See? So what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be taking the Dremel and we're going to cut all this part off. Okay? You really want to cut all this off. Okay? And that way you don't have to worry about this end piece. You can actually, if you don't care nothing about the end piece, you can actually keep it there and still do the grills, okay? We're also going to be showing you in the next lesson what we're going to be doing is making sure we get the gum line. Sometimes you have to make up a gum line because it's so light. And you want to make sure that we shave this so that the teeth will fit. And I will share with you that on the next lesson. So this is the diestone, and this is what we've done. Now this is not trash, okay? We can still fix this. We could fix this by melting down some wax, and I will do that. I will show you both. Melting down some wax and putting the wax here so that we can still be able to do a wax up on this and still be able to get the correct form of the teeth. Okay, so thank you so much for watching 211, and I will see you at the next course.